Hi, I'm Danny, or Natural LID, and welcome to my channel. I'm a social worker, and on this channel we talk about all things related to your quality of life and well-being. In today's topic, we're going to talk about aromatherapy and you, and how aromatherapy can improve your emotional and physical well-being. You say, well, what does aromatherapy have to do with those things? Well, they can help aid you in those particular areas. And today I want to talk about a video I saw by Prince Blog One. He talked about how essential oils can help with high blood pressure and the ways that you could use essential oils to do so, but doesn't go into detail about how to use them specifically. So you might have questions about that. But first and foremost, you need to know how to select an essential oil before using it for any particular concern that you have. So stay to the end and I'll give you a free bonus gift that'll be worth your time to look into to help you on this journey. So let's get to it. The very first thing you need to know about essential oils are what part of the plant or tree or leaf or does the essential oil come from? You say, well, what does that have to do with anything? Well, depending on the part of plant, tree, flower that the essential oil is extracted from, or where it comes from, or does it come from the peel of a fruit? Depending on where it comes from, it typically will mirror the system in the body or soft or hard tissue that it will help. So it might sound minor, but you need to know, okay, where does this essential oil come from? Does it come from the flesh of a fruit? Does it come from the petal of a flower, for example? Say lavender oil. Lavender oil is extracted from the petals of the flower. Well, the petals of a lavender flower are soft, and so it would typically help the soft tissues of the body. Lavender oil typically gravitates towards and help aid the soft tissues in your body and systems. Okay? So, for example, and another example would be like your wood oils, like your cedar wood or your sandalwood oil. Those oils tend to help the hard tissue in your body, like your skeletal system. So you really want to know what part of the plant does the essential oil extracted from. Second, you want to know what are the therapeutic properties of an essential oil. What are the known therapeutic properties out there? You say, okay, that makes sense. Yes, it does, because you want to know, is the essential oil that you're using going to help the situation that you're trying to address, be it physical or emotional? For example, if you want an essential oil, like was mentioned in the video by Prince Vlog One, when he's talking about high blood pressure, you want to choose essential oils that work with soft tissues. And for example, going back to lavender, lavender is known to be anti-inflammatory, it's known to be vulnerary, and it's known to be hypotensive or lowers blood pressure. So that may be a good choice for you. Another soft tissue oil that's known to help with anti-inflammatory is rose essential oil. Well, rose essential oil is good for the skin. It's also anti-inflammatory, but isn't known for as much for being hypotensive. So you want to look and see what essential oils and their therapeutic properties that they're known for, so that you know that it's directing towards exactly what you're aiming towards to address in you. Next, the third thing you want to know about essential oils before you use them are what body systems may this essential oil help. Going back to hard tissue and soft tissue, you want to know what systems such as the circulatory system, which is a soft tissue, respiratory system, soft tissue, integumentary system, which is the skin, that's a soft tissue, or the skeletal system, which is a um, heart tissue. So you want to know what systems are this essential oil, the essential oils that you plan to use, help towards. Okay, so that would be helpful. Fourth, you want to know how can you use the essential oil. Like mentioned in Prince Vlog's video, he mentioned that you can use it in a topically, you can use it bath and inhalation. And so you want to know what ways can you use an essential oil, because all essential oils you can't use in the same manner. Some you can use in a bath and some you cannot. For example, some oils may be too hot for you to put in a bath for your sensitive body parts, because essential oils in a bath typically rise to the top. You have to mix them up really well in bath salts, but sometimes the essential oil, if you let it sit, it'll rise to the top. And you're putting your bum down in the water, and that essential oil is hot, does not make for a pretty picture. So you want to know how to use your specific essential oil safely, which is best for you. Lastly, number 5, you want to be safe with essential oils. Safety, safety, safety. I can't say that word enough. You want to be safe with essential oils because all essential oils are not created equal, particularly if you have a health concern or maybe, for example, maybe pregnant or maybe nursing, or you want to make sure that your essential oil that you plan to use is safe for you. Some essential oils, for example, you should not use topically when going out into the sun, like your citrus essential oils. So you want to know what are the safety concerns for using this essential oil, and follow those safety concerns to the best of your ability, because if not, they can be harmful and cause adverse effects. So the 5 ways that you want, or 5 things you want to consider before using an essential oil for anything are: what part of the plant does the essential oil come from, to help, whether it be a soft tissue or hard tissue, depending on what type or where does it come from. Number 2, you want to know what are the health properties or therapeutic properties of an essential oil that it may help. Those therapeutic properties will tell you if this essential oil is intended for the use that you have. Number 3, what body systems does this essential oil help? Does it typically help the circulatory system or the respiratory system? That will be helpful as well. And 4th, you want to know, how do you use it? How can I use this essential oil? Do I want to use it in a diffuser? Do I want to use it in a bath or in a spritzer or topically? And lastly, number 5, which is most important, is safety. Safety, safety, safety. What are the safety notes for this essential oil? Is there anything in the safety notes that indicates that maybe you can't use it because you have a certain health concern, and or you want to use a citrus oil and you want to go out into the sun, or you enjoy sun tanning? So those safety notes are very, very important. And again, I can't express to you enough about having safety when using essential oils. So I thank you for staying with me up until now. I appreciate it. On the next video, I'll discuss essential oils that are known for therapeutic properties for high blood pressure. So if that sounds like something you want to know about, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload that video. If you have any other ideas about content that you would like to learn about essential oils, leave it down in the comments, and we'll look into creating a video for those particular topics you're interested in. Or if you just have a general comment about essential oils or your experience with essential oils, or if you have the condition that was mentioned by Prince Vlog 1 and your experience with essential oils, I so appreciate your comments below. So I thank you again for watching, and as a bonus, Click on the link below in the description. You'll get a link to ways to use essential oils with specific instructions on how to use essential oils, be it in a bath, using inhalation through smell, using it topically to help you on your journey with using essential oils if that interests you. Again, thank you for watching. Peace and blessings to you. And until next time, bye bye.